I'm Malcolm Turnbull. I'm here with Emma Tomkinson and Brigitte Poletto from Community Insight Australia. They are seeking to use, based on a UK model, a lot of this open data that the government has put out there on data.gov.au, most of it actually under this current coalition government, to use that in a way that is going to be valuable for social service agencies, for businesses, for not-for-profits, to be able to better understand the communities they're serving and manage their service delivery. So tell me about what you're doing, what the model is based on, and how we can help you.
So the basic idea is that a lot of people who are making decisions for communities, whether it be targeting services to particular communities in need or planning services for those communities, find it difficult to access a lot of the data. So there's a lot of data available, but it's usually available in spreadsheets.
So what kind of data?
So we're thinking the industries people work in, demographic data, how many children there are in a particular area, how many people over 60 there might be in a particular area, car ownership, the density of people on benefits in different areas.
And so you map all that together so that you can provide a holistic picture of a community that enables a council or an NG, a not-for-profit, to do a better job at servicing them.
Yeah, and I think also the range of people within a not-for-profit. So any staff member would be able to access a map, draw around an area on a map, and then access all of that data without having to analyse a spreadsheet. So they'll be able to see tables, graphs, compare different areas and say, really, this is where we want to be focusing our services.
Okay, Brigitte, this is based on a UK model. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, we're translating Community Insight from the UK, and that was designed by our partners, Oxy, which is Oxford Consultants of Social Inclusion, and HACT, a housing peak body. So this tool was brought together by housing organisations who really needed to access information about the people they're serving in the communities they work in. So HACT got 10 housing organisations to sit down and really say, how do you want to see your data and how do you want to access it? So that the people working in the organisation, the frontline staff and the executives as well, to really make decisions about better service delivery.
So what do you need governments to do to make data sets available, as the federal government does on data.gov.au, make more data sets available, and then what do we do?
I think there's a couple of things. The first is we're just starting to see an increase in geolocated data. So what we're doing is we're using household data. We don't need to know where everybody lives, but by collecting that data into small areas, we can start to map need. And that's really important if we're trying to, in an environment of constrained resources, trying to focus services on people that need them. But the other thing that would be really useful from governments is thinking, there are a lot of organisations like ours, we're a social enterprise, but the private sector as well, also thinking that they're reusing data. So we're reusing government data to make it applicable for a particular audience, and other organisations are doing the same for other audiences. So I think the idea that some data is really good for public consumption, and you want anyone in the public just to be able to look at it and see it, but also to be releasing it in the formats where businesses can take it on and really add value.
And the service that you provide would also be available to businesses as well?
Yes, we are looking to serve non-profits, government agencies and organisations alike. So anyone who's designing a service and planning a service to serve communities, this tool will be really useful because you can understand what's going on, what these people are doing and what their needs are.
Well, that's fantastic. Well, good luck with this project, and certainly our Department of Communications will do everything we can to help you. We're really delighted that the collaboration we've had to date. Your URL is on the screen here, and those people that want to help and are interested in more about your work can get access to that and contact you through there. So good luck.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thanks.